Hashtag prepared.
Here comes the sun.
Hey guys, what's good? It's Lorelei back at it again with another video. So I look terrible, you know, the catch. Today is we are gonna do some baking cake. Okay, I don't know how well this is gonna turn out, so yeah. I don't have icing, so we're gonna try to make jello icing. I don't know if this is gonna work, and if it doesn't, oh well. She doesn't have all the ingredients ready, but I mean, she has most of them, so that's what counts. Okay, so we need 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 large eggs. Eggs. So, ooh, these are not cute eggs. So I got 3 eggs. Now we have all the ingredients. Every time, I can never open this. Okay. God, this is what happens when you don't work out. Can't even open a plastic bag. Oh, with my dog. My dog's here. So that's great. Okay. Ooh, that looks so good. Like, how to crack an egg like a pro. Okay. Oh, frick. Oh, crud. I got a lot of shells in there. Dad, do you want to like not be in my cake? Thanks. God, these boys be like knocking myself up sometimes. I get it, correct. Of vegetable oil, so like this is canola oil. Where's the 1/3 mark? There it is. Oh my gosh, will I have just enough? Oh my gosh, I have just enough. Okay, so we pour that on in. Watch my, and then you need 1 cup of water. In from the outside. Okay. Now we mix. Looks really gross. I'll speed this up for you guys. No cooking, no cooking, no whipping, no cooking, no cooking, no whipping to cook. Just gotta mix it up. Looks really good. That didn't sound good. This is what I'm gonna use for my caking pan because I don't know. Never forget your baking spray. So this is how you spray your pan, just in case the ladies are wondering. Gordon Ramsay issue. Now we have this, and we just pour our mix right into it. Oh, come on in closer. Pop this baby into the oven. Yes. I'm wearing this shirt, and the cake is ready. So I know I was wearing shirt in like the videos, whatever, but I swear I changed clothes. This is not the only shirt I have. This just happens to be the one I'm wearing today. Alright. Cool off for like 2 minutes, and then we'll be back in like 2 minutes. Gotta get a plate. Bring out the icing. I don't even know if it's probably gonna help. And bring out the bowl. It's not hot anymore. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to flip it over and then flip it over again. So I don't know if it's gonna work. So now we're gonna try it. It's bouncy, it's bouncy. Okay. Okay. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with Lorelei or baking with Lorelei, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I don't know what that was. Wait, did you think we were done? I'm a mean person. Stay, because I do that. Okay. Oh my god. The struggle of being short, right? 2 cups. Okay. That's disgusting. Oh my god. Thank the Holy Lord. Hey guys, it's Lorelei. Focus on me. Focus.
Wait, is it recording? Why does it say REC, the red light?
Because it's recording. Oh my god, blooper.
Please don't put that in. I know you will.